In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find completed sprints in Jira. To begin, open Jira in your browser and go to the Scrum board for the project you want to review. This needs to be the board that the team actually used to run the sprint, because Jira sprint reporting is tied to the board configuration. Once you are on the board, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by checking the board name at the top and making sure you can see the usual board navigation. Next, look along the board menu and select Reports. The Reports area is where Jira keeps the built-in analytics for Scrum teams, including charts and summaries that pull directly from sprint data. This is the fastest and most reliable way to find information from sprints that have already ended, since it uses the sprint history stored in Jira. After you open Reports, find and select Sprint Report. This report is designed specifically for reviewing what happened during a sprint, including what was planned, what was completed, and what changed along the way. When the sprint report loads, you should see results for a sprint that is associated with your board. If you are reviewing an older sprint, make sure the report is showing the sprint you care about before you start interpreting the data. Inside the sprint report, click on the section labeled Issues Completed outside of this sprint. This area is helpful when you are tracking work that was completed but not originally finished within the sprint timeframe, such as items moved between sprints, pulled in late, or completed after the sprint ended. Opening this section gives you a clearer picture of what was done and when it was completed in relation to the sprint. Finally, click Done. This filters the list to show items in the Done status, which makes it easier to focus specifically on completed work. As a quick tip, if your team uses multiple completion statuses, confirm that Done is the final status used for finished work on your workflow, so you are viewing the right set of completed issues. And that is all there is to it.